everyone, I'm Dr. Charmaine Johnson from Premier Smile Center, and today's topic is about our COVID infection rates going up in Florida, and why this is happening, kind of our spin on it, what we're doing, things like that. So, as we've been open and we're seeing a lot of patients, and a lot of our patients coming in are nurses as well, and I've asked them so many questions about this. Why is it now that we're getting the spike? What's going on? And for the most part, what I'm understanding is they're saying it's twofold. Number one, we are testing more people. We're testing people that are potentially asymptomatic or don't have as severe symptoms. They are seeing more patients come into the hospitals, and they are seeing more cases. But what's nice about it is that our elderly population are really trying very hard to stay home and not go out, and so our younger individuals are coming in, and these younger individuals do not have as bad symptoms as our elderly patients. But that doesn't make it any better, that we have in higher numbers. But they're also saying it's, things are opening up, and these things are going to happen as restaurants and businesses are all opening up. What's important, I think, for us is to be aware that it hasn't gone away. We still have to be careful. So for us in the office, I say the same thing to my staff every single week when I have our staff meetings, is let's be responsible and not only make sure that we don't get infected, but that we don't infect others. So if you have any sniffles, our protocol is any sniffles, fevers or anything, you don't come into the office. That's just it, and then you get tested, and only if you come back with negative tests can you come back into the office. If you are tested positive, obviously you've got the whole quarantine, but you've got to have 2 negative tests before you can come back to work. At the same time, I tell them, I can't tell you what to do at home. I can't tell you how to run your personal lives, but just know that if you're going out to party and everything, you're not only putting your own lives at risk, but you're putting ours as well. You're putting every other staff member's lives at risk, and ours, and then also our patients. So please be responsible, and thank goodness I really have the most wonderful staff. They have been so good at trying to be careful at home. They still been, not going out at all except to the grocery store and things like that. And I'm just so fortunate that they are responsible that way. At the same time, when we are in the office, our protocols are still the same. The highest level of infection control, making sure that everything we have done YouTube videos about are exactly the same, making sure our patients know about it. So, I know I don't want to spend all this time discussing that, because we've done a lot of posts about this. All I ask is find us on YouTube, find us on Facebook. We have numerous posts about that. Actually, look on our website. Our website is www.drjohnsondds.com, because all our videos we have made regarding our protocols are on there, and they're on YouTube. And that way you can see how from the minute you call us, we ask our questions. From the minute you come into the office and you wait in the car before you can come in and you're seated right away, we do require you to put the hand sanitizer on before you come in. We take your temperatures. From the time that you're sitting in the chair and you're rinsing with a hydrogen peroxide rinse and getting the treatment done, to us being completely gowned up as you see us looking all crazy like that. But it is a necessity that I believe is going to continue as our protocols going forward forever, I think. But to the point where you even check out and we have to wait to make sure that there's nobody else up at the front checking out, to the fact that we have hand sanitizer, and we do want you to put hand sanitizer on before you leave us, so that you are keeping yourself safe as well when you go home, and then obviously wearing a mask throughout the whole day in the office. I gotta tell you, we all do that, and we wear our masks throughout the day, that we're so used to wearing masks for 8 hours non-stop, that it's just norm for us now, as before we were all struggling to keep that on. But I just wanted to put this out there, not only to let you know what we're doing in the office, because we've been doing that for a while and we have posts about that, but to let you know that let's all be responsible. Let's all take precautions, not only to keep ourselves safe, but also to keep our loved ones safe as well. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. We're more than happy to help you navigate this, because it's totally new for everybody. And we're just kind of going through each day as a new day with new challenges that we are getting through, and we're finding new things. And there's so many positive things that have come out of this that we can continue to use as we go forward. Our number is 954-566-7479. Have a good day.